Welcome on into another video, everyone. My name's Luke W, and I have the pleasure of speaking with Shivali today, and we're going to be talking about the Sell and Scale Summit taking place in Las Vegas in just a matter of a couple weeks. So we're going to be running through the breakdown of what's all going to be happening there, and it's Helium 10's first ever full-on conference that they're throwing themselves. So Shivali, thanks for coming here, and let's just jump into it. Kind of what's the breakdown of the event? What got you guys inspired to throwing this event in the first place? I mean, you've been around as a software company for quite a while.
I feel like we just felt it was about time that we throw one of them. We're always showing up at different events. We were at Prosper. I mean, I went to the Berlin event earlier this year, and it's always a good opportunity to network and learn and just kind of rub shoulders with some people you always can pick up different skill sets and lessons from that you can always implement into your own life as well, right? So it was about time, and we're very excited for what we have been working to build for everybody that's attending. I mean, this is really going to be a one-of-a-kind conference. We're marketing it that way because that is truly what we have strived to do. This is really for anybody who's showing up. I mean, whether you're showing up by yourself or you're showing up with a group, maybe you've been in business since the 1950s, maybe you are brand new, you are a new private label seller. It does not matter. It is really for anybody from any walk of life, and we have something for everyone. And what I mean by that is, yes, we have keynote speakers who are very well known in the space. We also have Gary Vaynerchuk showing up, Neil Patel giving a speech. We also have Kevin King there, right?
Yep.
Just really well-known people in the e-commerce space. However, we also have ways to network that are a little bit more fun in nature. So for example, Bradley's doing a Zumba session. We have a yoga session with Janelle Page. Are you going to be attending these?
I don't know. I saw the Zumba session. It seems a little early in the morning, and it's going to be in Vegas. So there's going to be a lot going on, and hopefully I can wake up that early. But I love getting my early morning workouts in, so you never know.
Yes, but what we were thinking when we were trying to plan these events is not everybody is a party animal at nighttime, right? I know I like to go out, but that's not everybody's really thing that they're drawn to. So we wanted to also offer things that were healthier and that were, well, not healthier per se, but we're a little bit on the opposite side of the spectrum, right? So you have still the ability to go and network, but do it in a fun space that's not necessarily involving the party aspect of it, or a more different version of partying rather, right? So we have the Zumba session. We also have solo sync. So those of you that are showing up alone, maybe you don't know how you can meet other people, or you're worried about walking into a room and not necessarily knowing how to strike up a conversation, then that's one less thing you need to worry about. You can walk into that room, and we will structure it in a way where you can meet lots of people and you can exchange contact information and then have a buddy or a few, right, for the rest of the week, and you feel a little bit more comfortable being there by yourself. So really something for everyone.
Yeah, and I even saw you guys have a Wova app. I'm not sure if that's for everyone or just the speakers, but yeah, that's awesome because it has an app where you can get all the itinerary for every event that's happening. You can get little notifications, reminders when things are taking place, and I just think that's going to come in handy. I mean, with being in Vegas, jumping from different stage to different stage, there's going to be how many speakers there? About 75 or something?
Yes. Yeah. There's a lot. And it's 3 days packed of value and information.
Wow. Yeah. No, for people that don't know, yeah, Kevin King, I think he just came out with another Helium 10 course. Didn't he come out with an updated version of the Freedom Ticket as well?
Yes. Freedom Ticket 3.0, just revamped.
Wow. Yeah. So for anyone out there, we will have the Helium 10 Sell and Scale Summit link below where you can check out the tickets and book them ASAP. But also I'll have the Helium 10 link below for their software as well. But when you get that, you can get access to the Freedom Ticket 3.0 course, which is, I mean, really in depth. I mean, Kevin King is just crushing it. And you guys go way in depth and gives a lot of people an insight on how to use the Helium 10 software all in one place instead of having to jump around from all these different people's YouTube videos. So that's always a good benefit of just getting the regular Helium 10 software. I'm just so happy that it's your first conference ever, because I know at the Prosper event where I think I met you, that was what,
Yes,
1 or 2 years ago already.
2 years ago, I believe. Yeah.
Yeah, and you guys had one of the coolest booths there. It was about time we get you getting your own conference.
And I'm very excited for all the attendees. And I hope those of you watching also come and join us. I mean, Luke will be there, I'll be there. And as I said, so many big names. Bradley will be there, Kevin, Kian Golzari, Michael Labar, Walmart will be there as well. So for those of you who are Walmart sellers and you want to talk directly to Walmart representatives, you'll be able to do that there.
Wow. Yeah. And then just go ahead, highlight some of the other events that are taking place. I know there's a VIP level to this as well, where there's going to be some different events and live performances. So tell us a little bit more about that.
Yes. So we have a VIP and icebreaker reception. We also have specifically VIP breakfast lunches, that sort of thing, where you can go and there will be speakers there. You can directly talk to them. You can also just learn information as you're digesting your food, which is always an awesome opportunity to experience. And then, yes, we also have the Nelly party. So that is a different private welcome party. And the theme is denim and diamonds.
Ooh, okay, okay. Yeah, so this is something where you guys are really trying to pack a lot of value into a very short amount of time here, and it's something that I mean, you're gonna learn from this one and take it into the next one. But as far as I saw as well, the VIP tickets are pretty much all sold out at this point, and I don't know.
Yes, they are sold out.
This is going to be very, very cool. Any other crazy highlights that you're excited for yourself to come see for Helium 10's first conference?
I think the entire thing, there's been such a buildup leading up to it. Of course, when you attend other conferences, it's always been a blast. So to have our own personal one and to know all the effort that's gone into it behind the scenes has really just been such an exciting thing. And to watch it all come together, the entire event, there's always going to be something every single day that I know you will enjoy and be able to experience and take immense value from as you walk away from it.
Yeah, no, this is going to be awesome. But it's also so there's going to be Walmart, there's Amazon FBA. I'm even going to be covering affiliate marketing and how to build an income stream without even having to build a product. So that's a lot less stress on your shoulders there. So any other topics that you know are going to be spoken about there for, I mean, there's FBA, there's online selling, e-commerce. Any other like personal branding or social media growth speakers that you know might be there?
Yes. So we definitely have speakers that are directly talking about social media. I'm sure that there are people who can also speak on the subject of drop shipping if that's something that you're into, retail arbitrage. I mean, a lot of our tools are very multifaceted. I know that I use our tools and talk to people about using them for KDP. So for Kindle Direct Publishing, if you guys are publishing books, whether that's ebooks, paperback, hardcover, it really doesn't matter. But there are so many different ways you can use the exhibitors, the sponsors that we have, but also Helium 10 itself on a bunch of different platforms. So it doesn't matter if you are only an Amazon seller, Walmart seller, maybe you are primarily on Kindle or you're drop shipping. There is really something for everyone.
Sweet, sweet. Yeah. So I don't know. I'm just super stoked. I just got my plane tickets the other day and it's about time. So for anyone that's really looking to get into this, I know I've been posting a lot about it on YouTube, on my Instagram, and I've got a lot of people messaging me about it. So this is still just the first one of many, I'm sure, for Helium 10 throwing their own conference.
Definitely.
I really hope to see more of the fans and subscribers that are going to be able to make their way out to Vegas. I know people said they were in different parts of the globe at this point right now and they wanted to come, but who knows, maybe in a few years you guys can do some international events too. Who knows? Yeah, no, because I mean there are all these other countries that are really getting into FBA, and as those countries marketplaces start to grow with the Amazon ecosystem, you never know. But getting you guys to go all the way out there and have a conference, I think they should just come to Vegas and come and enjoy it with us this time. So
absolutely.
But yeah, thanks Shivali for giving me the chance to kind of pick your brain a little bit more about some of the finer details that are going into the Sell and Scale Summit. And I'm excited to see you once again there. And for everyone out there watching, again, we'll have links below so you can go get your tickets, before it's a little bit too late. You know, you still have time. So I hope to see you guys there. But thanks a lot, Shivali.
Thank you so much. We're at the final countdown, 10 days to go. So be sure to get your tickets, you guys. We'd love to see you.
Yeah. All right. Thanks so much for watching.